Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I'm sure you already know what we're going to be doing, so let's just get into the video because it's pretty much simple. Your channel banner. So this one, you're going to go on to Chrome. All right, and then you have to make sure that your Chrome is on desktop mode and not on mobile mode. All right, you have to make sure it's on desktop mode and not on mobile mode. If it is on mobile mode, it's gonna show, you're not gonna see those options, so you just have to make sure that it is on the desktop mode, right? So yeah, so we're now on the desktop mode, and then you click on displays. This is customization. Yeah, you click on it. When you click on it, you go over to branding. When you click on branding, click on change, then it's going to show you photo library, take photo, browse. So you go onto photo library, and then I just created this one last night. So you click on your banner, then you click on choose, right? It's going to crop it out like this, right? The bigger size is viewable on TV, the other size is viewable on desktop and viewable on all devices. So I made only for all devices because I don't know why I just made only for devices. So yeah, then you click on done. We click on done, yeah, click on publish, and your channel banner is updated, right? You can go over to your YouTube app to check if it's really okay. All right, so yeah, that's just it, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.